The day my dog spoke. Yesterday, something crazy happened. My dog Bruno talked. I was eating my sandwich when he looked up at me and said, "Buddy, where's my cheese?" I almost dropped my food. I whispered, "Dogs can't talk." But Bruno rolled his eyes and said, "Oh, please, I've been listening to you humans for years." Then he stood up on two legs and announced, "From now on, I want 2 walks a day and unlimited biscuits." Before I could reply, he barked, "Deal or no deal?" And then, poof, he went back to normal. No words, just a regular dog. Now I am confused. Did Bruno really talk? Or was I just hungry?